Hello guys and welcome to our own dance studio. We just signed the contract for the dance studio and we are super excited to show you the place now. It's still not renovated, so there's a lot of work to do, but we are very excited to show you around. So let's get inside.
Yes.
Ta-da! This is the entrance. We have very beautiful green carpet floors. We have to change that to be able to dance here very good. And yes, this is the small entrance place and come in. So here we are going to put a little desk to welcome our students and everyone who's coming inside. On this side we are going to put a little sofa and maybe a wardrobe where you can change your shoes and put your jackets and everything. So let's go into the first room. We have two. This is the little bit smaller room, although it's very big already, I think.
Yes, we are not exactly sure what we want to do with this place. We had many different ideas, right?
I think on this wall we are going to put some very big mirrors, so we have place to dance and to teach a little bit here in the area. For this side, I guess we are going to put a little lounging area with sofas and a little desk and everything.
Yes, I was thinking of two sofas. I was thinking on one sofa over here and another one over there. But we're still not sure. We're still going through it. We're still changing our minds. But I don't know. Let's continue.
This little corner is going to be a small kitchen or bar. So we have, we can put a little kitchen here, and I was thinking about putting a bar like this, so we also separate the kitchen from the rest of the room, and we have here the lounging and drinks, and I think this could become very nice.
Yes, we didn't show you, but on the wall right back from it, there's two toilets, so that's why we can put a kitchen over here, because we can take the water pipe and everything. But I don't know, I think that's a great idea to have a small kitchen here and also a small bar area. And like she said, with the mirrors for dancing a little bit there. And the lounge area here. We were thinking about it because at the beginning I thought about having the whole space as a lounge area. But right now, I don't know, maybe we think we can do better use of this space.
We are so happy that we just have this beautiful window front, so we have so much natural light and we have a very good atmosphere here.
Yes, and also we can put some, how do you call them, curtains over here. If we put some curtains, then over there, the whole space, maybe it's gonna look even better.
On this free space, I think we're going to put a door, maybe a sliding door, so we can separate the rooms more and do different things at the same time.
Yes, we were thinking about some of those like barn doors, like on the houses, yes, but we're not sure. We're still going through it. We gotta see how expensive they are as well.
Yes. So let's check the other side. We go up a little bit, which is nice, I think.
Yes, we have to go through these small steps over here, and then we arrive. And now, this is the bigger space. So in total, I think we have 200 square meters. We don't know how much does this in feet, but we're gonna have it down below, written in the video. But yes, this is the big space, and
it's even brighter because we have on both sides the window fronts, which is super beautiful. We have a good view to our city's church.
Can't see that much, but yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah. Let me see. Take the camera, please. I want the people to see me as well a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm doing the next part of the tour now. Well, Magdalena is also going to speak. But we're still thinking, come here, we're still thinking if we should have the mirrors in this side or on the other wall. Because of course, like we said, this is our brand new dance studio. Before we were recording everything at our place, which you already saw. And also we are teaching here in Germany, but we have been the whole time renting spaces from other dance schools, for example, to do our classes. And finally, we're gonna have our own place. So not only is this the space where we are going to film all of our YouTube tutorials for you guys, but also the place where we are going to be teaching in Germany. So that's why we're not sure where we want to put the mirrors. Magdalena thought that over here it could be a good idea so that we can know when somebody enters the room, enters the dance school, we can notice it right away. But I think it would be better in the other side.
Let us know in the comments what you think.
What do you think? Which one's better? Yes. And now going a little bit through the system. So the sound system, we want to put in each corner at least one, how do you call it? Speaker, one speaker, yes. And also, we also want to put some sofas as well, because we think, well, at least I think, I think that we also need to have some sofas over here for the people whenever we do an event, a dancing party or something, the people should have somewhere to sit beside the lounge area. Yeah. And my idea was to put here 2 sofas as well, so that people can sit and drink something and watch and rest a little bit. Maybe when we put some salsa and nobody wants to dance, then they can sit over here and just talk a little bit.
Uh-huh. And one of the best parts of this place is that it has air condition, which is not very typical in Germany in the old buildings. So we are very happy to have one, especially when we are dancing in summer. It becomes very warm, I guess, with the windows.
Yeah, that's true. Especially, I don't know if you're from Germany or even also you're all dancers. So I'm pretty sure you know that whenever you're in dance parties or something, it gets really, really hot and you're sweating the whole time. So having air conditioning is a plus, a very, very important thing, I think. Yes. And also something very cool for this location is that we also have like a small restaurant, bar, cafe area down below. So that's awesome for all of our members as well, or maybe after training, we want to go there, eat something, drink something, just have a good time. So we are extremely excited to see how it turns out. And as well, if you would like to know how it is after the whole renovation process and you want a full tour afterwards, just write in the comments and let us know. And now, Magdalena, give me the camera, because you're also going to say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye. We are so excited, and we are super excited to show you the final dance studio.
And yes, tell them to hit the like button.
Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see the next tour when the rooms are finished.
Yes, and also, the last question you already asked, the mirrors. In this side, hold on. Or in this other side. And also, is it important to have sofas on only the lounge area, or should we have them over here as well for when we have parties? And if you're ever in Germany, make sure to hit us up. You are very welcome here.
Yes. Bye-bye.